Lie down on your back with your hand by the side of your body. Inhale and lift your both legs up. Inhale more and press your palms and forearms on the floor and lift your buttocks and back also up. Take your legs behind your head, bringing them parallel to the ground. Place your palms supporting your lower back. Make sure that your elbows should not open more than the shoulders. Adjust your neck, shoulders and the back to bring the spine perpendicular to the floor. While inhaling, lift your legs up in such a way that your legs and trunk come in the same line and perpendicular to the floor. Feel the stretch and pressure on your neck. Breathe deeply and feel the blood flow rushing towards your heart and neck. To release, take your legs behind your head, parallel to floor, gently landing your upper and then lower back to the ground. Slowly bring your legs down and relax.